Hey there, tool enthusiasts, welcome back to another handy guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that misfiring impact wrench that's been giving you a hard time. It's a common problem, but don't worry, we've got you covered. With a few simple steps, you can get your wrench back to its powerful self. So, let's get started and bring that tool back to life. First things first, safety is key. Always prioritize your safety before diving into any repair work. Make sure you unplug your impact wrench or remove the battery. This is crucial to avoid any accidental starts while you're working on it. Safety first, always. Double check that the power tool is off. You don't want any surprises. Also, grab some safety glasses and gloves. These will protect your eyes and hands from any potential hazards. Protect yourself before anything else. Now that we're all geared up, let's move on to identifying the problem. If your impact wrench is misfiring, it could be due to a few reasons. The most common ones are air supply issues, worn-out components, or dirt and debris inside the tool. Let's break these down one by one. First, let's start with the air supply. Your impact wrench needs a consistent supply of air to function properly. Check your air compressor. Make sure it's delivering enough pressure. This is essential for the proper operation of your tool. Inspect the gauge and adjust the settings if necessary. Ensure that the pressure is within the recommended range. Next, inspect the hose for any kinks or leaks. A damaged hose can disrupt the air supply. Sometimes a simple hose replacement can solve the issue. If you find any damage, replace the hose immediately. Still misfiring? It might be time to look inside the wrench. Let's take a closer look at the internal components. Disassemble the tool according to the manufacturer's instructions. Carefully follow the steps to avoid any damage. Pay close attention to the O-rings and seals. These small components play a big role in the tool's performance. Over time, these can wear out and cause air leaks. Inspect them thoroughly. If they look damaged, replace them. New O-rings and seals can make a significant difference. Another culprit could be the hammer mechanism. Dirt and debris can accumulate and affect its performance. Clean out any dirt or debris that's accumulated. Use a soft brush and some compressed air to clean the parts. This will help maintain the tool's efficiency. Lubricate the moving parts with a light machine oil. Proper lubrication reduces friction and ensures smooth operation. This can reduce friction and help the wrench operate smoothly. Don't forget to check the anvil and hammer for signs of wear. If they're worn down, it might be time for replacements. Worn components can lead to misfiring and reduced performance. Replacing these parts can restore the tool's functionality. Lastly, let's talk about maintenance. Regular maintenance can prevent a lot of these issues. Keep your tool clean and lubricated. Store it in a dry place to avoid rust and corrosion. Proper storage is key to prolonging the life of your tools. And always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for care and use. These guidelines are designed to help you get the most out of your tool. So, to recap, check your air supply, inspect the O-rings and seals, clean out dirt and debris, and maintain your tool regularly. With these steps, you'll have your impact wrench back to peak performance in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Keep those tools in top shape and happy fixing.